So, good evening, ma'am. Good evening, classmate. So, I am here to report about my topic, the peristaltic type rotary pump. What is peristaltic type rotary pump? Peristaltic type rotary pump, also known as hose or tube pumps, use positive displacement to force fluid through a hose or tube by squeezing it. And also, it is a type of positive displacement pump that moves fluids through a flexible tube or hose by compressing and releasing it in a rhythmic wave-like motion. So, kini day siya, guys, is nagamit siya og rotating mechanism, no? Sama sa isa ka rollers or shoes aron makahimo siya og kaning mga lihok niya. The components of peristaltic pump. First one, the pump head assembly is the heart of a peristaltic pump. So, ang pump head assembly is mao din siyang ang kasing-kasing sa peristaltic na pump. The second one is the roller or shoes. The roller or shoes are responsible for compressing the flexible tubing. They create a squeezing action that propels the fluid. The third one is flexible tubing. It is a key element. So, mao din siya mo ang key element sa kuan, strong component sa peristaltic type rotary pump, no? And it is available in various materials and it's suited for different application. The tubing choice affects the pump's compatibility with specific fluids. Next one, the tubing retainers. The tubing retainers hold the tubing in place, ensuring it remains properly aligned with the rollers or shoes. So, ang tubing retainers, guys, is mao din siya ang dawan nga nagpugong sa tube para dili siya makuan. Ang dagan sa tubig is sakto lang siya, is dapat makaline din siya sa rollers or shoes. The next one is the drive mechanism. The drive mechanism is responsible for rotating the rollers or shoes. It plays a pivotal role in controlling the flow rate. So, ang drive mechanism is mao din siya responsibilidad sa pagtuyok, murag silbing og kabantay mo na ng mga roller coaster, guys, di ba? Namo ginay makina nga mo inay nag-cause para motuyok ang one. So, mao sa ni siya sa peristaltic ang drive mechanism. Next one is the stepper motor. The stepper motor offer precise control over the pump's operation, and they are ideal for application requiring accuracy. The next one is the DC motor. The DC motor are commonly used for peristaltic pumps, and they provide reliability and versatility. And the last one is the flow sensor. The flow sensor provide real-time feedback, enabling accurate flow rate adjustments. Main application of peristaltic type rotary pump. So, first one is medical field. Because of their unique advantages that make them ideal for handling sensitive fluids and ensuring safety, such as sterility and contamination-free operation. Because it is an ideal for medical application like dialysis, drug delivery, and blood handling. And it is also gentle in handling of fluids, accurate flow control, self-priming and dry running capability, hygiene and easy maintenance, and lastly, versatility. The next application is water treatment related applicants. It is applicable in the water treatment because the peristaltic pump can be used to accurately meter chemicals or other activities into a water treatment system. The last one is the food and beverages field. The peristaltic pumps are often used to transfer food and beverages products, such as juices and syrups, without damaging them. the advantage and disadvantage of peristaltic type rotary pump. So let's tackle first about the advantage. So first one is low maintenance. It is the peristaltic pump are considered low maintenance because it is due to their simple design and minimal wear on components. Next one is the non-contamination. The peristaltic pump ensure non-contamination due to their unique design and operation because the fluid only touches the tubing and it has a disposable tubing, no cells or valves, and it is a closed system and it supports sterile operation. The third one, inexpensive to manufacture. It is considered inexpensive to manufacture because it has a low cost materials, simple construction, minimal moving parts, no need for complex seals or valves, low labor cost, and it is easy to customize. And the last one is easy to sterilize. Because of its simple design and the fluid pathway is isolated, it disposes and replaces tubing and it has a minimal contact with external surfaces. Disadvantages. Operator need good knowledge because in operating a peristaltic pump effectively, it requires some knowledge and understanding, particularly to ensure optimal performance and avoid errors. So, yung mag-operate din sila og peristaltic nga pump, so need yun ni og kuan proper knowledge kayo. Mapakuto ra ka nga mura. Di magkadimao guys og magka-error siya din mga dili mamao ang paagi sa tubig. Tube life is limited because it can be exposed to harsh liquid fluids. So maguba gid siya dali kay na may ubang mga fluids na harsh. The temperature extremes, chemical reaction, UV or light exposure, and lastly the material quality. So if ang quality sa material is pikion, dali ra gid siya maguba guys. The third one is selection of tubes for required purposes can be sometimes difficult. Yes, because selecting the right tubing for a peristaltic pump can sometimes be difficult, and this process requires careful consideration of several factors such as first, material compatibility with fluids, temperature range, flexibility and durability, pressure and flow rate consideration, and lastly is cost versus performance. So, naday ko ipakita ninyo nga video nga og yun sa pagtrabaho ang kuan og unsay how a peristaltic type rotary pump work.
With just one suction and one pressure, the liquid is transported. It is called a peristaltic pump, also known as a hose pump. Working is a bit like intestinal peristalsis. The mechanical structure of the peristaltic pump is very simple, mainly composed of driver, pump head, and hose. The working principle is also simple and easy to understand. Under the action of the driver, the rotor rotates, driving the roller to continuously squeeze the elastic hose. It's like wiping water with your hands, causes the air inside the pipe to be continuously discharged. When a local vacuum occurs in the rear, a huge suction force is generated, can continuously suck the liquid from the cup into the tube. In this cycle, continuous liquid output is achieved, and by replacing different hoses, it can also be used to transport viscous liquids. The biggest advantage of peristaltic pumps is sterile, hygienic, and safe, and the liquid volume transmitted by each extrusion is the same, accurate and controllable flow rate. If the rotor is rotated in reverse, it can also transmit liquid in both directions, very suitable for medical and chemical fields. With just one suction and
So that's all for my video. Thank you for watching, ma'am and classmates, and Merry Christmas to you all and advance Happy New Year. Peace.